Well, I figured do a little vacuuming today, and most of the time I use my Dyson, but I figured I'd use this for today, just to, just for difference, just for shits and giggles, switch it up a little bit. But yes, yeah, this is my brother's Hoover WindTunnel to Rewind Pet model vacuum. It's the pet model, as you can tell because it's red on top and it has special pet attachments like this. I can get it off. Like this pet turbo brush and this pet hair tool right here, which is somehow this plastic blades instead of brushes or something like that. On the standard model, you would see a regular dusting brush, and so I figured I'd do a little vacuuming because today I've been cleaning the house a little bit. Been doing laundry, and I got dust after this. So I figured I'd vacuum, and I figured I'd give this a run. It's a decent vacuum, decent Hoover, and I know some people aren't exactly, I guess you could say, thrilled. Some people aren't exactly thrilled with Hoovers, but I don't think all Hoovers are bad, and this is an example of, one of those Hoovers that aren't that bad at all. But yeah, I figured I'd vacuum the house, so you'll get to see this in action, and you'll see me empty it. So, I don't know, I figured I'd make a vacuum video because I haven't made one in, quite a while. Most of the videos are been gaming videos, and I figured I'd make a new vacuum video. And so, I don't know if you've seen this in action. So, well, you did see it in a test once, but I figured I'd just run through this house with it, and make a video of it. So, here it is. Trying to get the toy out of the way. switch the plug. Usually with this one has a shorter cord than my Dyson, so that's why I switched the plug over to a different outlet. It's not the vacuum's fault, you know. I think it's 25 feet, so that's usually like standard length of most cords is 25 feet. I'm gonna vacuum this room too. This is my brother's room. I'll go in here when I have to vacuum, you know. But let me get some of my cords and stuff out of the way. See, there's Dyson right there. So there we go. Plug back in. Should be good to go. And switch cord again. That's usually where I plug my Dyson in, and with the Dyson, it's like, again, like I said, it has a large, nice long cord, so I could get, you know, the entire apartment, you know, every single square inch of this apartment I can reach with the Dyson. Oh, I picked up there, but not too worried. Not going to damage the vacuum. Trying to get Hoover, push it out of the way. So, there we go. Apartment's been vacuumed. See nice little room lines. You know, looks nice and clean. Something that's very nice about this machine. At least it has good agitation, so it's able to nice groom lines, and I'm sure it's able to get any deep dirt out. And you can see right there, you can see a bunch of hair, a bunch of dirt. I don't know what kind of dirt that is. But yeah, it does get the dirt. And let me see if I can have my camera over like this. Oops. That's it. There's this little button. Try to tap it out like so. Some dust does cling to the bin. There's even, you can even empty it like from the top, like some vacuums do. You can empty it from the top. You can also empty it from the bottom. It really doesn't matter. It's actually, you know, they say, you know, I guess you would take it off like this to dump it, but I guess either way you could also dump it like that, and it would still be hands free. Right there. There we go. And we just put on like that. Oh, and I also forgot to check the filter. Make sure that that's still clean. Not too bad. Give it another month or two. You know, maybe another month or two. You know, need to be cleaned. But yeah, that's the Hoover for you. I'd say this is a decent vacuum. Like I've done reviews for it. It is a great performer. And let me see. I don't know if I can even. I don't know why this damn thing isn't like focusing. There. Yeah. There we go. Like, now it should have focused. Damn phone. Yeah, but anyway. Let's be able to focus. Okay, well, it doesn't focus like that. I guess when you get close up to it, it does kind of focus a little better. But yeah, that's the Hoover WindTunnel 2 Rewind. They call it WindTunnel 2 because it's 2 channels of suction. No, it's not the original. It's not like the other WindTunnel 2 vacuums, you know, the ones with the self-cleaning HEPA filters. Yeah, that piece of shit. Because I've seen a video of some guy having to clean out the filter on a WindTunnel 2 vacuum that's bagless, or I guess because it supposedly has a self-cleaning HEPA filter, but most of them didn't. I think that's why Hoover discontinued them. But yeah, nice cord rewind. I just emptied the bin. You know, sure I have to clean it, you know, usually clean it out every once in a while. I know how to take it apart, clean it out, get it good, you know, good clean again. If you mostly have carpets, if you're mostly just cleaning carpets, again, this vacuum will do a great job. And it won't shock you. I know, making a jab at shark. They won't. Yeah. Luckily, this isn't recalled. It's not going to shock you like a shark. Well, shark-powered rotator liftway, whatever the hell they call it. I know, I'm making a jab at shark. Don't give me hate comments. It's a joke. I don't know, you know, I'm guessing Walmart. I would figure that Walmart, I guess, you know, Walmart and all the other vacuum, you know, all the other stores that carry vacuums, I know, pushing Hoover outside to give it another profile. I know I'm guessing they pulled the faulty machines out of the market, you know, off their shelves. I guess they need to make sure that whatever they have in stock isn't faulty, or I would guess that they pulled off the stock to replace them with new inventory of shark vacuums with the proper repaired wands, you know, that correct the problem of the wand coming off and possibly giving you electrical shock. Since, of course, on that vacuum, the hose is electrified. It does have wires in it, the stretch hose, but it is like usually electrified. So that way it powers the nozzle. I mean, it's a neat little design, but like I said, you know, the whole recall thing of, you know, the whole recall debacle, I guess you could say, is, uh, I guess, kind of raise some eyebrows, maybe raise some concerns, especially ones in the vacuum cleaner community, you know, collector community, or, you know, guys like me, you know, people like me who like, you know, love vacuum cleaners or like collecting vacuum cleaners or talking about them, you know. Like I said, there are people like that. There, you know, so at least I know I'm not alone. Thank you, Facebook, for introducing that, or I guess YouTube as well. But yeah, that's the Hoover WindTunnel Rewind. I might do. I think next time when I vacuum, I might show the DC-33 in action. I know I did one a couple years ago at the old house in Abbottstown, Pennsylvania, when I was living with my brother Dustin, and it mostly had bare floors. And so, you know, here, at least here, when I do another video, I'll show it with the Dyson, you know, just doing regular vacuuming, just like I did with the Hoover, and with the regular Dyson. So yeah, but yeah, Hoover WindTunnel 2 yep, it's a pretty good vacuum, you know. But I'm gonna get off here. I gotta do dusting. I gotta dust that. I gotta clean the table. I gotta clean that red thing, and make sure I switch over laundry. Get laundry folded. Yeah, so I'm gonna be busy as a bee. Hopefully, get some free time in. But until then, this is Ryan Solomon 1 signing off for today. Have a nice weekend.